In this video, I'm going to teach you how to clear your Instagram direct message suggestions. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you are having trouble with your Instagram direct message suggestions, all you have to do is close the app before doing what I'm going to show you, and after you close the app, go to your settings. Within your settings, you need to find the Apps tab. This is located by simply looking for tabs on most phones, but if you do not see or if you don't have a search bar, simply look for the apps. As you can see here, apps. So open it up and go to the Manage Apps option. Within Manage Apps, look for Instagram and open the Instagram app individual settings. Now, simply select Storage after you open up the app info for Instagram, and within the storage page, you have to clear your data. If you want to only clear the cache, this will probably work, but it's not going to delete everything. And if you want to make a full wipe of your Instagram data, including the direct message suggestions, use the Clear All Data option. Keep in mind that Clear All Data is going to wipe most saved stuff in your Instagram account. I hope I was able to help you on how to clear Instagram direct message suggestions. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.